I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Going out so hot, just like an oven.
We're leaving Nashville now.
Sad face.
To get ready to go to Paris.
Yeah. Going to Paris. Apparently we didn't tell anybody we were going.
Yeah. Look who got a haircut.
Not me.
Yes, yeah.
So we made it to Atlanta, and now we are headed to UPS to take the mini boxes that were meant to be shipped off in Nashville that we just didn't get to yesterday because we're also still working while trying to move our stuff across the country. And then after that I have a nail appointment, much needed nail appointment. And then jumping into some work back at my mom's house. Yeah.
We're at Angel's dad's place, and there's a little bit of excitement going on inside of here right now.
Let's do it again.
My dad jerry-rigged a 360 cam.
I went to get going to work. It's going to work.
360 cam.
360.
Joe, you do one. Come on. Everybody gotta be like this behind, like, yeah! Taking it off, dude.
Papa.
Take the bonnet off.
Just for a quick second.
Take the bonnet off. Rip it off.
Alright, come on. Oh, why you so engaged?
Rip the bonnet off of the video.
I'm 5 and 2. Come on. You what team are you?
Take the bonnet off.
Hey.
Now I see why I was like, this one up.
Huh?
Do it with me now. Do it like this, in the middle,
Yes,
back to back. Alright, come on.
Come on, son. Who?
You gotta do like this.
Hey.
Shake the dreads, shake the dreads, shake the dreads. Yeah, you in Oakland like shaking the dreads. Get hypey with it and shit. Is it recording?
Yes.
Yeah, it's recording. So you're going to Paris. What's the first thing you're gonna eat?
So my friend Cody wants us to try this place called Twinkies.
Man, how you gonna order that in French?
Escargot?
I'm gonna be like,
I don't know.
Parlez-vous anglais?
I just said what you want to eat. She could have done like French fries. You're like, what?
Parlez-vous anglais? That means, do you speak English? And then you order in English. That's what I'm gonna do.
You wanna order English?
Yeah, I'm gonna ask if they speak English, and then I'm gonna bring my friend. She's fluent in French, so I'm gonna drag her and be like, order first, please.
What are you gonna get?
I'm going to get
Croissant.
escargot.
A who?
Escargot.
A croissant.
A croissant.
Yeah, they gonna have it. Get you a quarter royale.
I was just
I'm about to get my hair done. Excuse my hair. We're just throwing this video. Had to pull up on my grandma. She was mad that I didn't come see her. And so I'm quickly trying to say goodbye to her as we head to my hair appointment. Yeah, I'm not feeling good. I just got the booster yesterday. I feel all the symptoms: the fatigue, the nausea, the headache. What was the other one? I haven't really had body aches, but I've definitely had the main three.
I love you so much, baby girl.
I love you too.
Hey, my dear, I love you too now.
See you later.
All right, y'all be careful now.
I'm at the UPS store. It is time to get all the stuff shipped out to Oakland. We're definitely like what, 10 or so hours out from needing to fly into Paris. So sorry, I'm kind of tired. If you can't tell. No, but yeah, we're about 10 or so hours out from having to fly into Paris, and I'm getting all of our stuff sent to Oakland so we can move into Oakland when we get back from Paris. So it's gonna be fun. Okay. That was expensive, but got it done. The stuff's on the way to El Sobrante. Thank you, Ash and Jasmine, for accepting our stuff while we're waiting on our apartment to get set up and everything. So yeah. Now all that's left is everything that's going on the plane with us. To Paris. To Paris. Alright, I'm about to go pull up on my guy Malcolm, get some Jesus Was Black. Well, actually, I'm about to go get my Pfizer booster, actually. That would be fun. Angel's still getting her hair done. She texted me saying I just took a L, so I'm like, what are you talking about? But yeah, I'm about to go get my Pfizer booster, then I'm gonna go see my guy Malcolm, cop some more Jesus Was Black for the Paris trip, you know, gotta show up internationally, but yeah. How you doing? How are you? Good, doing well. I'm checking in for a booster shot. Okay.
Are we doing right shoulder or left shoulder?
I said your left before, but I guess I'll go with your right. 'Cause I sleep on my left.
All right. Just need to get your shoulder, please. All right, you're gonna hang out for 15 minutes.
Thank you. Thank you. Teresa, I'm not gonna wait the 15 minutes. I'm just gonna leave. I feel so much better having all that stuff because all this stuff is gone now. Got my booster shot. Now all there's left to do is wait until it's that time to go to Paris. About to go holler at Malcolm though real quick. Mr. Jesus Was Black himself. If you ever need to know which one, it's Mr. Jesus Was Black himself.
Oh my God, what's happening?
What's good?
What's happening? Digital world, metaverse, you know what the fuck going on.
What's up? What's up? You said you don't even got you made these. You don't even got.
I don't got that one.
You don't even got this one.
I don't like making them, man. I make them for y'all.
You make them for us.
But they take forever.
As long as it's for me, I mean it's cool.
Nah, that's for y'all, man.
If it's for us, you know.
I don't got none. I got one of these.
Yeah, that's what I need next.
That's it.
That's what I need next.
That's it.
Yeah.
Nah, I ain't got none of those.
Yeah.
Family and friends on the way. I do 2 of these.
stay.